Fáilte roimh arás go fáil mí mis Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1 Topic Cead ag Déanamh socruithe. Level A1 Topic 14 Making Arrangements. Level A1 Topic Cead Rannóg ag Déanamh socruithe cuid a héan ag díriú ar bheith Labhairt. Level A1 Topic 14 Section 1 Making Arrangements Part 1 Focusing on Speaking. This is part 1 of 3 parts. Lamúna, ceist de chur ar ghine an méid sé sléir agus an cheist sin a Ragart, asking someone if they will be free and answering that question. Thabhairt, dócádaí sosialta, referencing different social occasions. Ceist de chur ar ghine, cén uair a bheith rud éigin ar siúl agus an cheist sin a Ragart, asking someone what time something will be going on and answering that question. Cuire a thuairt de ghine, giving someone an invitation. Ghlacha le agus diúil tú de chura, accepting and declining an invitation. Ag Déanamh socruithe, making arrangements. Beidh sibh ag buint úsáid as an aimsir áisteannach sa topics seo. So you will be using the future tense in this topic. Féach amis ar an bríthir be. Let's look at the verb to be. San aimsir chaite in the past tense. Cad é an éireann cheistach? What is the question form? An rá. Agus an éireann Eorpach and the positive. The. Agus an éireann buíochas, the negative. Ní raibh. An rá, the, ní rá. Or an raibh, the, ní raibh. Tá ceiste gamart. I have a question for you. Freagar na ceisteanna se a leanas. Answer the following questions. And it's san aimsir chaite in the past tense. An rá an aimsir go maith inné. Was the weather good yesterday? An rá an aimsir go maith inné. An rá tú ar siire sa Spáin. Were you on holidays in Spain? An rá tú ar siire sa Spáin. An rá tú tin an teachtain se caite. Were you sick last week? An rá tú tin an teachtain se caite. Agus anis an aimsir lárach den bhríthir be. And now the present tense of the verb to be. Cad é an éireann cheistach? What is the question? An bhfuil. An éireann Eorpach. Tá. An éireann buíochas. Níl. An bhfuil tú ag dul go dtí an siopa? Are you going to the shop? Tá. I am. Níl, I'm not. An bhfuil tú go maith? Are you well? An bhfuil tú tin? Níl. Agus cúpla sampla eile san aimsir lárach. An bhfuil an aimsir go maith inniu? Is the weather nice today? An bhfuil tú ar siire sa Spáin? Are you on holidays in Spain? An bhfuil tú tin? Are you sick? Agus anis an aimsir áisteannach, the future tense, an aimsir áisteannach. What do you think the future tense of the verb to be will be? Aimsir chaite, an rá, the, ní rá, an aimsir lárach, an bhfuil, tá, níl. So it's an irregular verb with a future an méid, an beidh, ní bheidh, or an mai, by, ní bhai. Agus anis freagar na ceisteanna se a leanas, and now answer the following questions. An maith tú ag dul go dtí an Spáin. An maith tú ag dul go dtí an Rank. An maith tú ag dul go dtí an Idáil. An maith tú ag dul go Sasanna. An maith tú ag dul go America. An maith tú ag dul go Canada. And now I'll have you ask each of the following questions. Read them aloud. Éisleán. An maith tú saor déardaoin. Will you be free Thursday? An maith tú saor déardaoin. Bye, cén fá. I will. Why? Bye, cén fá. Ní bhaidh, be mé ag obair. Ní bhaidh, be mé ag obair. An maith tú saor déardaoin. Will you be free Thursday? Be, cén fá. I will. Why? Ní bhaidh, be mé ag obair. No, I will be working. Anois aber a dhé. An maith tú saor déardaoin. Bye, ní bhaidh. An maith tú saor de híne. Bye, ní bhaidh. An maith tú saor de sathairn. Bye, cén fá. Ní bhaidh, be mé ag obair. An dtuigeann tú an maith tú saor. Do you understand an maith tú saor? Will you be free? Féach ar na ceistena agus freagraí ar an sleamhnáin saor arís agus lé amach ó sordiad and read them out loud. An aimsir áisteanach, the future tense. Chana sa chuirtear cheist san aimsir áisteanach. How do we create a question in the future tense? Cén tionchar atá ag an ar an mríthair. So we put on before the verb. What effect does that have on the verb? Chana sa chumptar an iarm úilteach. How do we create the negative form? Agus cén tionchar atá ag ní ar an mríthair, and what effect does ní have on the verb? An bhfuil na rialcha seo cosúil le haon aimsir eile. Are these rules like any rules in any other tense? So here we have a side by side of an bríthir bí san aimsir chaite, an rá, bhí, ní rá, an aimsir lárach, an bhfuil, tá, níl, agus an aimsir áisteanach, an méid, beidh, ní bheidh. So what similarities do you notice between the different tenses? Cuirtear orú ar an mríthair in ní an, go díreach mar a tharlaíonn le bríomhara san aimsir lárach. We put an eclipse on the verb after on, just like we do in the present tense. Mar shampla, an míonn tú, an dhéanann tú, an déann tú. Leanann séimhú ní san aimsir áisteanach chomh maith. So, and we aspirate after ní in the future tense as well. Mar shampla, ní bhaidh. Feithí tú tuile samplaí amach an seo. You will see lots more examples from here on out. An mbeidh tú saor de híne. Tuair freagar diúltach agus aber cén fá nach bhfuil tú saor. Give a negative answer and say why you won't be free. An mbeidh tú saor de híne. An sin, chuir an cheist ormsa. Ócáidí, occasions. Racham siar ar ócáidí éagsúla. We'll review different occasions. Breithlá, breithlá, a birthday. Kosher, kosher, a party. Pósa, pósa, a wedding. Banish, a wedding reception. Banish. Cruinniú, a meeting. Cruinniú. Anéis aber a míle, and now repeat after me. Breithlá, breithlá. Kosher, kosher. Pósa, pósa. Banish, banish. Cruinniú, cruinniú. Ócáidí ar lean continued. Nochtag mé na híbhána ceann ar cheann. I will unveil the images one by one. Aber liom an folklore ceart. Tell me the correct vocabulary. Breithlá, kosher, pósa, banish, cruinniú. Agus uair amháin eile, and one more time. Agus anéis curthaimid na focail in Abertí, and now we'll put the words in sentences. Breithlá, by breithlá Owen ann. It will be Owen's birthday. By breithlá Owen ann. Kosher, by kosher Bríd ann. There will be a party for Bríd. By kosher Bríd ann. Pósa, by pósa Liam agus soracha ann. By pósa Liam agus soracha ann. Banish, by banish thoracha ann. By banish thoracha ann. It will be soracha's wedding. By cruinniú agam an lá sin. I'll have a meeting that day. By cruinniú agam an lá sin. By an bhuileog ag déanamh socruithe slír uait an gníomhaíoch seo. You will need the handout ag déanamh socruithe making arrangements free for this activity. There's a link in the description box below to the handouts and the notes for the lesson. Ag déanamh socruithe. Tá cártaí éagsúla clúdaithe. Different cards are hidden. Teach ceannacha suas ar an slánán, agus curthaigh mé an cheist an mbeidh tú saor de híne ort. One of them will come up on the screen, and I will ask you the question, will you be free on Friday? By earth an cheist the Labhairt, ag buint úsáid as an úolalas ar an gcárta. You will need to answer the question using the information on the card. Mar hampla, cárta héin. An mbeidh tú saor de híne? Ní bhaidh. Cén fá? Beidh breithlá Owen ann. We'll go through the conversation first, and then I'll put up an example of the possible answer on the screen, and you can read through it quickly to check your answer. An mbeidh tú saor de híne? cén fá. An maith tú sir de híine, 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 cén fá. Agus inis rachamid siar ócáidí eile, and now we'll review some other occasions. Scanán, drama, ceolchoirm, sesiún ceol. Arís, scanán, drama, ceolchoirm, sesiún ceol. Inis rachamid tríd na hócádaí fad, and now we'll go through all of the occasions and I'll have you tell me which one it is as it comes up on the slide. Ceolchoirm, breithlá, cruinniú, drama, sesiún ceol, pósa, scanán, kosher, banish. Baimé ag dul, cén fá a neirtear go dtí an fictúrlan, go dtí an teachtarna, ach chuig kosher, scanán, banish. So why do we say go dtí an fictúrlan yet chuig kosher? Úsáidtear chuig de ghná nuair a bhíonn ócáid a gceist, agus úsáidtear go dtí de ghná nuair a bhíonn áit nó ferganamh i gceist, mar a chlúdaíomar i dtopig a cúig cathabhaimsire. So chuig is usually used when there is an occasion or an event involved, and go dtí is used when a place or a building is being referred to, as we covered in topic 5. An maith tú sir de híine. 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 Éist leis an gcórá seo. Moira, buíochas a cheann. Seán, buíochas a mhaire. Conas atá tú inniu? Táim go brá, agus tú féin. Éin scéal. Táim go díal, ba breithlá ife ann de híine, a meid tú sir. Ní bhaid, ba mé ag obair, ba cruinniú mór agam. Is trua sin. Thuig tú an chórá fad. Did you understand the whole conversation? Dúirt Moira, táim go díal, ba breithlá ife ann de híine, a maith tú sir. Táim go díal. Cad is brí le táim go díal? What does táim go díal mean? Well, táim go díal, if you look it up, you'll see brill, and you'll find it in folklore.ie. Well, brill is slang or another way of saying I'm brilliant, splendid, wonderful. Oftentimes the Irish use the word brilliant to mean something's really great. And if we look at folklore.ie, we'll find lots of other ways of saying something is wonderful or great. bang up, brill, fine, great, hunky-dory. So Irish ways for saying that, we have harcian, dói, gajil, aus, harbar. So if you look it up, you'll find lots, and here are some different examples, both in English and in Irish. Agus inis, lé an chóra amach ósáid, and now read the conversation out loud. Agus sin deire le Rannóg a héan ag Déanamh socruithe. And that's the end of section 1, making arrangements. Ceist de chur rinne an meid se sléir agus an cheist sin a ragart, asking somebody if they'll be free and answering that question. Thabhairt dócádaí sosialta, mentioning different occasions, social occasions. Ceist de chur rinne cén uair a bheith rudaigh in ar siúl agus an cheist sin a ragart, asking someone what time something will be going on and answering that question. Cuire a thuairt do dhuine, giving someone an invitation. Agus ghlacha le agus diúil tú do chura, accepting or declining an invitation. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Teastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas do Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanna bhas. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.